genuine, honest, high integrity work. That's what makes podcasting different from marketing and everything else or different kinds of mediums that are there. It's not fake. It's real.
HT Smartcast, where conversations come alive.
HT Smartcast finally turns 5 and we couldn't be more proud. Also, we couldn't be more relieved. We've learned, adapted, often struggled. We grew up together. We haven't just survived, we thrived. And this journey has been nothing short of extraordinary. In the past 5 years, we collaborated with some of the most notable brands, including Abbott, IBM, Merck, Samsung, and counting. We've produced over 250 podcasts in more than 20 genres and 5 languages. We've partnered with some amazing platforms like Spotify, Amazon, Apple, Gaana, Saavn, YouTube, and many more. These are some of the reasons why we've reached a listenership of a whopping 150 million and counting. But as the saying goes, great things are never done by one person. This documentary is not just a celebration of our success, but a heartfelt gratitude to all those who contributed to this incredible journey. So let's start. Ramesh, why HT Smartcast and what were the company's building blocks?
We had a whole, portfolio of content that we had already been creating over periods of time from our radio business, and we repurposed all of it into podcasts and then started creating podcasts afresh. So first creating podcasts for listeners of the kind of podcasts that they want to listen to, and then putting a team together that now creates podcasts for anybody who wants to create a podcast. So we are probably India's largest podcast process outsourcing company, for want of any other word. So we make podcasts for you. If you have a podcast to make, we're here for you.
Wow, that's powerful. Yatin, what's your vision when it comes to podcasting in India?
So globally, podcasting has always been big. But in India, it's over the last couple of years that podcasting has really caught on. And it's grown tremendously. India is the third largest market globally today for podcasting. But my vision is that India should become the largest market. And why not? It should become the go-to medium for news, entertainment, and education. And in all this, the creator ecosystem should really thrive with HT Smartcast at its helm.
Of course. Rohit, when you took Podmasters, India's biggest podcast industry event, to the market, how did it react?
So, if you see the last year, we did almost 42 events. And the kind of audience we had, it was very massive, ranging from 3,500 to 10,000. So we never had an experience of getting to a class. And that is where we thought that if we do this, we'll have a lot of learnings out of it. So we went ahead with it. And to our surprise, we got a lot of premium brands coming on board with us.
Deepti, we know you as a jack of all trades. Did HT Smartcast turn you into one?
Honest to God, before I came to HT Smartcast, I had only one podcast. So I had to teach myself how to be an audio professional, a video professional. Pricing happened, co-selling happened, events happened. And now we are turning our editorial podcast into video podcast. So I'd say I am who I am because HT Smartcast is a labor of love.
You trained as an audio professional. What was it like suddenly jumping to producing video podcasts last year?
Interesting, because the transition from recording to shooting was quite thrilling for me.
So in the first video shoot, it was like a fish out of water kind of a feeling, where in the audio podcast, you just have a stereo track on your screen and you're editing that and then you package it and it's ready. But
the change from just being behind mics to actually miking up people, understanding cameras, lights, setup, makeup was a very, interesting move.
और वो चीज़ सीखने के बाद हमने वीडियो एडिटिंग का कोर्स वगैरह भी अभी ज्वाइन किया और उसमें हम लोग अभी काम भी कर रहे हैं.
now within a couple of months that will be complete and I will be not only an audio professional but a video professional as well.
Radhika, tell us one thing that you like about producing non-fiction and now fiction content.
When I came to HT Smartcast, I thought I'm going to handle full fictional storytelling kind of a work, but I was given opposite. Like I was given branded, I was given non-fictional work. And initially I was very, very skeptical. I was very doubtful. But now 1 year later, I'm very confident now. अब मैं बहुत सारे project खुद से कर लेती हूँ, and whatever learnings I've got there, now I'm able to put in my new project, that is Fever Stories.
Both of you have joined HT Smartcast this year, but Samarth, it seems like you've been with us for an eternity. What advice would you give Sharan?
Well, my advice to you will be to be as boring and dissociated with your job as possible, because Einstein said that time moves faster when you're having fun, so the opposite is also applicable, which is why it seems that I've been here for an eternity. So yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is something that he says to his manager who is standing right behind the camera. Amazing. And Sharan, what do you have to say about that?
I agree with him. So I plan to do exactly that. Be boring and have zero fun.
Great.
You said something else as well. Like, what was the second advice?
Oh yeah, second advice is to run for your life.
During COVID, was there ever a conversation about calling it quits?
नहीं, कभी बंद करने का मन नहीं किया, बिकॉज सुनने वाले लोग बहुत ज्यादा थे, क्योंकि लोगों के पास टाइम बहुत था उस टाइम सुनने के लिए.
पहले 2 महीना मैं ऑफिस आता था रोज, स्टूडियो में बढ़िया रिकॉर्डिंग होती थी. लेकिन फिर जैसे हमारा वर्क फ्रॉम होम शुरू हुआ, वो कॉल अजीब रिकॉर्डिंग्स आती थी और हम बहुत स्ट्रगल करते थे.
एंड आई ऑल्सो रिमेंबर देयर वाज दिस टाइम, क्योंकि मीडिया के लिए अलाउड था, तो हम लोग ऑफिस आते थे और घर वाले, परिवार और दोस्त इतने डरे हुए थे कि यार कोविड बहुत ज्यादा फैल रहा है, तो तुम्हें भी ना हो जाएगा. एंड इवेंचुअली फिर हमारी ट्रू टीम में से 1-2 लोगों को हो भी गया था.
तो हाँ, वापस 2-3 साल लगे आई थिंक हमें वापस स्टूडियो में आने में. क्वालिटी हमारी काफ़ी अच्छी हो गई और अब आज का टाइम है, आई थिंक ऑडियो प्लस वीडियो दोनों ही हम अच्छा.
Nidhi, how do you hire for a medium, an industry and a company that is so dynamic?
The people who are ready to change. So I see this one quality in people who are daring enough to be with the changes which we continuously and always keeps on doing. So these are the 2 qualities basically which I register in people first. I try to identify people with these qualities.
What's that one podcast you have a love-hate relationship with?
यार मेरा लव एंड हेट वाला रिलेशनशिप है AI राइजिंग के साथ. द थिंग आई लव अबाउट इट इज कि मेरे को AI के वर्ल्ड के बारे में काफ़ी सारी नॉलेज मिलती है.
For me, it's morning news wraps. दो इतना अच्छा पॉडकास्ट है, अच्छे स्टार्ट्स है, पूरा वेट रखता है, बट वो मॉर्निंग की जो स्वीट स्लीप होती है वो पूरी की पूरी चली जाती है. दैट्स द ओनली थिंग आई हेट वेकिंग अप अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग.
Farah, your welcome statement was Madhouse में आपका स्वागत है. Does this statement still hold true?
Yeah, definitely. I mean, that's the kind of energy that keeps the work fun, exciting, right? So, we all mad here.
मोहित और आकांक्षा, ये बताओ कि पॉडकास्ट बेचने में सबसे ज्यादा भसड़ कहाँ होती है?
सर नहीं.
क्या बात कर रहे हो? रियली?
हाँ, उसके लिए बेचना पड़ता है आकांक्षा.
कोई नहीं मोहित, मैं सीख रही हूँ. बट ऑन अ सीरियस नोट, कोई भसड़ नहीं होती है. आई थिंक वी हैव गॉट अ रियली गुड टीम.
यस, टीम इज परफेक्ट इन टर्म्स ऑफ प्रोडक्शन, इन टर्म्स ऑफ स्क्रिप्टिंग, शूट, आफ्टर सर्विसेज, सब अपना काम परफेक्ट करते हैं. लाइक 100 इज कम, 100 से ज्यादा भी अगर होता तो वो दिया जा सकता.
एंड बहुत इजी होता है हमारे लिए सब चीज,
क्योंकि हम अपना सारा काम उनके ऊपर डाल देते हैं.
And finally, team, what does HT Smartcast mean to you?
To be work in progress.
Give me money. It's a passion.
powerful, light-hearted,
Vibrant,
Fighter.
Podcasting.
Gyan,
Masters.
Teamwork,
Mazduri.
smart,
Proud.
dynamic.
Innovation.
Artistic. Perceptive.
growth.
HT Smartcast, where conversations come alive.